Welcome to Utah LED. In this tutorial, we will be showing you how to control and use your new smart bulbs. To begin, turn off the power to your light fixtures. Then go ahead and switch out the bulbs in your light fixtures depending on which ones you have. Once you are completed with that, go ahead and turn the power back on. Now we need to download the Utah LED app if you haven't already. There's a QR code on the side of your box that takes you to this to do that. The app is called Utah LED Lighting and looks like this. Once you're in there, it will have you create an account, then you'll need to verify with your email and such. Now that your app is ready to go, you can go ahead and open up your app. Once you get in there, we need to add the devices. To do this, click on the top right plus sign. It will search for devices nearby. Ours that we're doing for this tutorial is a light bulb. So that new bulb, we'll go ahead and click on that. Then we're going to connect it to our Wi-Fi. Mine's called I Am Groot. We'll go ahead, enter our password, and then click connect. Once this is done, we're going to rename it. Mine's going outside on the side of my garages, so I'm going to call it Garage Lights, then click Next. It's going to go outdoors, and then click Finish. Here, if you want, you can attach it to your Alexa. For this video, I'm not going to do that, but if you want to, you can go through that. I'm just going to click the X right now. Now I need to add my next light bulb. So I'm just in the top right, going to click on the plus sign. Then it's going to search for that next bulb. I'm going to click on the bulb I want to add. Again, I'm going to connect to my Wi-Fi, enter my password, click connect. I'm going to name this one the Garage Light 2, and then after I'm done, click Next. It's going outdoors, and then Finish. Now both my devices are here. Let's group them so they can be controlled at the same time. If you long press on the option, it can give you the different options to put a circle there. So we're going to connect both of them. So we need a circle with a check mark on both. Then we're going to click on Create Group at the bottom. It's again going outdoors, and then I'm going to click Next. I'm going to name this Garage Light since that's where it's going, and then I'm going to click Finish when I'm done. Now they are grouped together and both are controlled at the same time. You have this power toggle switch here that you can click on, as well as the brightness to go back and forth. Right now we're going to go into it and click on the devices. Here you can go in and do different things of the colors. You've got your 16 million colors as well as your warm white. Let's show you the device information. Click on those three dots, click the group information. Here you can rename them, disband the group, if you need to add more, different things. Go back. Now let's show you how to schedule your lights. Click on the three dots at the top right, click Schedule. We're going to add a schedule. For this one, we want it to repeat every day, so go ahead and click on this repeat toggle switch. And then I'm going to have it come on at 7 p.m. You can change it for whatever you want it to come on as. Now, here's the important part. When you click on Perform Action, turn on the lights and perform. Then you can switch over to the different things. I'm just going to do white, click Confirm, and then we're going to, in the top right, click Save. So the schedule is there to go on. Now we need to add a schedule to go off. So I'm going to have them go off at like 4 a.m. in the morning. I'm going to click that toggle switch, Perform Action. I just want to make sure that it's now off. Once we're done, we click Save. So the lights now are coming on at 7 and going off every day at 4 a.m. Click back to go back. Now let's learn how to change some colors. Here is the warm white. You just kind of click on it, nice warm white. You can go click on the cool white, cool white. Let's go to blue, see what, and as you can see, you can just, play around right in here and see what they look like. Let's do green. Now at the bottom right, there's a logo there. This will take you into all of our different presets. You can create your own customs, but here there's some presets that are pretty cool. My favorite is the candle. It's like a candle flicker. It's kind of down here right here. And here's kind of what that candle flicker looks like. It's just really pretty in person. Let's go back to that symbol again and our presets. This time, if you just want the lights to change color every second or so, this one's called birthday. You can play around and like with these presets, see what you like and such. I'm going to do one more. It's the strobe, which is actually really cool for Halloween. So, and here is that strobe. Okay, at the beginning, I told you I'd go in and show you kind of click on that light bulb and go to the 3 dots again, and we're going to edit our schedule to be that candle flickering instead. So you can long press and that will give you an option to delete, but we're not going to do that. You just need to click on it. And that will take you in, and then you go to the perform action. This is where we're going to take it from that white color and we're going to change it to a built-in, which was that candle. So there are different things you can play around with here, but we're going to go to the built-in. There's some custom items if you did, but that built-in, again, I'm going back to that. And then I'm going to go down to candle right there, click it, confirm, and then I'm going to click save. Now instead, it will do the candle every night. Hope this helps. Just play around with the lights, see what you like, and have a great day.